Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy without Jolly Ranchers. We will explore the simple, classic method using basic ingredients. You'll learn to transform ordinary sugar into fluffy, sweet clouds right in your own kitchen. This technique relies on heating sugar to a precise temperature and then rapidly cooling it into delicate strands. Get ready to create a delightful treat that everyone will love using just a few common items. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of regular granulated sugar, which is the foundation of our sweet treat. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of water. This helps the sugar melt evenly. For a touch of color and extra taste, consider adding a few drops of your favorite food coloring and a complementary flavoring extract. These additions are completely optional, but can make your cotton candy even more exciting and personalized. Now let's cook our sugar. Combine the sugar and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves, then stop stirring. Insert a candy thermometer and heat the mixture to precisely 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches this temperature, remove it from the heat. If using a machine, pour the hot sugar into the spinning head. For a DIY method, drizzle the hot sugar over a whisk or fork to create fine strands. For the best results, remember a few key tips. The hot sugar cools and hardens very quickly, so work efficiently when spinning. As the delicate threads form, gently gather them onto a paper cone or a sturdy stick, twirling to build up your fluffy cloud. To make cleanup a breeze, immerse your equipment in hot water immediately after use. This will dissolve any hardened sugar. Enjoy your homemade, delicious cotton candy, a truly delightful and simple pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.